So what we use, RAISC, Honda 2012 to 2015 CRV low. Then hit confirm. After that, reverse work. So top and bottom. And it shows that door open. If I open the door, it shows that. Okay, and if you shut it off, monitor shuts off right away. Before, this was staying on. Everything works. Okay. No video, we're going to transfer that video to here.
¿Puedo cambiarle?
Sí.
Aquí los armados con ñiñi.
We're going to find the reverse video signal from here so we can hook it up to down Android radio. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get I have another video explaining how it's going to work. You're going to get a test light, not the digital one, analog light bulb one. One side goes to ground, the other side we're going to poke through one of the wires on the back of the monitor. And if we get the right signal, it's going to scramble the video signal up here, and those are the video signal. We got to find two wires, one plus, one minus. The code is 8888. Should be NTSC, top one. Found the two wires. There's a red and yellow in the back of it. That is a third one. So when you grab the right wire and poke it, the video signal will be scrambled like this. As you can see, the color changed once you poke the right wire. There should be two wires, one's plus, one's minus. And as I said on the other video, it doesn't make any difference which one goes to plus and which one goes to minus. So we're going to try one way. If it works, we're going to keep it that way. And this is the CAN wire, CAN module rather. And that's what enables all the car information. And also this makes the screen to go out after about 30 seconds. Before we put this one in, the top monitor was staying on, killing the battery. So with this one, select the vehicle information, of course. Then after about 30 seconds, the top monitor shuts off. Before, customer said it was killing battery because this was staying on. There's the bottom mode. There's a release tab on the top. The bottom mode. If you look at it this way, there's a third one is the red one, and the yellow is the one next to it. That's the one we connected through RCA. We only have a positive side on. It still works. So this is the back of cam. No distortion. And it also show right here as well. So it works on top as well as the bottom using factory back of cam. So it shows here. It shows there. We found out you don't really need two wires. Most of the cases, you just use one wire and it gives you a video signal perfect. No distortion either way. Reverse. You gotta select this one now. RAISC Honda 2012 to 2015 CRV low. Then hit confirm. After that, reverse work. Select top and bottom. And it shows that door open. If I open the door, it shows that. Okay, and if you shut it off, monitor shuts off right away. Before, this was staying on. Everything works.